Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to tag someone on Instagram post. If you want to post a picture of you and your friends on Instagram and also you'd like to tag them on your post but you don't know how, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's begin. Tap open your Instagram application and make sure you're signed into your account. Now you'll need to go ahead and post something on Instagram in order to tag someone to your post. So tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner. From the gallery, go ahead and select any picture or a post that you'd like to share and tap on the next button at the top right. Now this is what I'm gonna post on my Instagram, so let me go ahead and choose a cool filter quickly. Now, after you're done, tap on the arrow button pointing towards the right side at the top right corner. Go ahead and write in your caption into the text box. And after you're done captioning your post, go and tap on the Tag People button in order to tag your friends into the post. Now, tap on the photo in order to tag a person. Type in the person's username. And in the search area, you'll be able to see lots of search results that have been chosen for you. Select anyone that you'd like to mention. You can keep on adding more by simply tapping on the picture, selecting the contact that you'd like to tag from the search results. If you want to remove a tag, you can simply tap on the person's username and tap on the cross icon to delete or remove someone from tagging into your post. After you're done tagging enough person, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner, and there you have your post ready to be shared. Go ahead and tap on the tick mark at the top right corner one more time, and that way you'll be able to tag someone on Instagram post. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.